Stop scrolling. I need you to look at your hand. Now, make a fist. That fist is not entirely yours. 57% of the cells in that fist do not contain your DNA. You are a minority in your own body. You are a walking, talking spaceship. And the aliens have been flying the ship the whole time. Today, we're going to meet your tenants, the microbiome, the invisible jungle that helps decide your mood, your weight, and maybe even who you fall in love with. Let's start somewhere uncomfortable. Your face. Right now, hiding in the roots of your eyelashes, are tiny 8-legged arachnids called demodex. They don't have an anus, so they eat your dead skin cells. Party for 2 weeks. And then, they explode. This is fine. This is normal. You have millions of them. But that's just the surface. The real action is happening where you can't see it. Open your mouth. That slimy film on your teeth right now? That is not deer tea. It's a medieval castle. Bacteria build skyscrapers made of sugar and protein to protect themselves. This fortress is called a biofilm. And when those bacteria eat your leftovers, they poop acid. That acid drills holes into your teeth. That's a cavity. You're not brushing away dirt. You're demolishing a city. You swallow that city. It slides into a pool of acid strong enough to melt a razor blade. You'd think nothing could survive there. But one organism does, Helicobacter pylori, or H. pylori for short. This bacteria drills into your stomach lining and sets up camp, sometimes for life. For most people, it stays quiet. For others, it causes ulcers. But here's the spooky part. It can influence your appetite. If it wants more food, it sends a signal to your brain. Hungry. You think you want pizza. But sometimes, the bacteria want the grease. Now we follow the journey deeper, down to the colon, the large intestine. This is the mothership. About 100 trillion bacteria live here. To understand that number, if you took just 1 gram of feces, yes, poop, it would contain more bacteria than there are people on planet Earth. Here's where things get truly weird. Your gut bacteria are chefs. You eat fiber, like broccoli. You can't digest fiber. It simply passes through. But your bacteria can. They ferment it and cook up a powerful chemical soup called short-chain fatty acids. And these chemicals talk directly to your brain. There's a communication highway called the vagus nerve. It runs from your gut straight to your brainstem. Your bacteria use this highway to send messages. When they're well-fed, eating fiber, they send calm signals. When they're starving, living on junk food, they send panic signals. Scientists discovered something shocking. When researchers transplanted gut bacteria from an anxious mouse into a calm mouse, the calm mouse became anxious. Same brain, same body. Different bacteria, different personality. Let's step back to the surface again. Your skin. Right now, about 1,000 different species are living on it. Most people think bacteria are dirty, but many of them are actually your armor. One species, called Staphylococcus epidermidis, produces its own natural antibiotics. It sits on your skin like a security guard and shouts, "This spot is taken." When you overuse antibacterial soap, you're not just cleaning yourself. You're wiping out your security team. And when the guards disappear, the real villains, like dangerous infections, move in. So how do you keep your 39 trillion tenants happy? It's not probiotics alone. Those are visitors. They pass through. What you really need are prebiotics, fiber, beans, onions, garlic. Feed your bacteria this food, and they reward you by producing vitamins like B12 and K2. Think of your gut like a cheese factory. Bacteria eat milk. They make cheese. Your bacteria eat fiber. They make vitamins. But if you feed them mostly sugar, they make inflammation. And that inflammation can leak into your bloodstream, travel to your joints, and contribute to diseases like arthritis. So let's go back to the fist you made at the beginning of this video. You are a human, but you are also a forest, a reef, an entire universe. The DNA in your cells decides your eye color, but the DNA in your gut can influence how you feel. The next time you look in the mirror, remember this. You are not alone. You never have been. And the 57% of you that doesn't have a name is listening. Let's bring this home. You think you're one organism, but you're not. You're an ecosystem. Only about 40% of the cells in your body are truly you. The rest? Trillions of microbes, living, adapting, working every second to keep you alive. On your skin, they form a living shield, your first line of defense. Every time you overuse harsh antibacterial soaps, you're not just cleaning, you're weakening your own armor. Inside your mouth, entire microbial cities grow on your teeth. When they fall out of balance, they produce acids that slowly break down your enamel, creating cavities. Deep in your stomach, certain bacteria can influence your hunger signals, nudging your brain, shaping what you crave. And in your gut, things get even more powerful. Trillions of microbes communicate directly with your brain through the vagus nerve. They don't just help digest food, they influence your mood, your stress levels, even your behavior. Scientists have tested this. Transfer gut bacteria from an anxious animal into a calm one, and the calm one becomes anxious. The feeling travels with the microbes. So here's the truth. You're not just a person. You're a host, a caretaker of trillions of tiny lives. And what you feed them shapes how you feel. Feed them fiber. Nourish them well. Because when they're out of balance, they don't stay silent. They talk back. Through your cravings, your mood, and your mind. Take care of your ecosystem, and it will take care of you.